si Annie Sofa. I-discuss ko sa inyo yung tungkol sa Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is a concept in quantum mechanics. It states that an object location, no matter how small or large an object is, it can never be determined. Why? Because it is impossible to measure simultaneously both position and velocity of a microscopic particle with absolute accuracy and certainty. Ngayon naman, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung uncertainty in science. Sabi dito na, science has always claimed that in order to find facts, observation, and experimentation should be made. So, bago ka makagawa ng isang fact, kailangan mo munang gumawa ng experimentation, saka observation, para mapatunayan mo yung fact mo. Then, ito pa, science relies on things that we can measure. Yun nga, yung science is nagre-rely lang siya sa mga bagay na nami-measure natin. Sinabi pa dito na science refuses to call something science just because they cannot be measured, such as spirit or soul or even faith. Yun nga, di ba? Sabi nga dito, yung science relies on things that we can be measured. So, hindi naman, di ba nami-measure yung spirit, soul, saka yung faith. However, Heisenberg has proposed and has even proven through experiments that there are uncertainties in science. Yun nga si Heisenberg, napatunayan niya through sa mga experiments niya na mayroon ng uncertainties in science. Then, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung formula ng uncertainty principle. Ito yung uncertainty momentum times uncertainty velocity. Tapos, greater than or equal to greater than or and equal to Planck's constant. So, ito yung formula